This is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC.
From the home screen, using the touchscreen or touchpad, scroll to the right and find the settings icon. Then select Vehicle at the top of the screen and proceed to press Dynamic Select. If you wish to make your individual configuration default when you start the vehicle, engage the Request at Start button. Now select Individual Configuration to begin the customization. From here, we can adjust the engine's power by selecting Drive. Eco will give you the least amount of power, but best fuel economy. Sport will give you the most power, but you will use the most fuel. And if you want a happy medium, Comfort is the setting for you. You can adjust the firmness of your steering to a smooth, everyday driving mode called Comfort, or for a tighter, more aggressive steering to Sport. Finally, you can adjust the Electronic Stability Program, or ESP, to Comfort, Sport, or Sport Plus. In Sport and Sport Plus, the driver can purposely slide the car to its limits of control before the system reacts. Be careful not to engage Sport or Sport Plus if the vehicle has a roof load.
Thank you for watching.